Okay. Today we discuss about the problems on relation function. Second problem. We verify the relation R on integers defined by R is equal to or maybe A minus B is an integer, is reflexive, symmetric and transitive or not. Okay, let us convert this set product form into roster form. Then according to the definition of reflexive, symmetric, transitive, checking the conditions for reflexive, symmetric and transitive. First, the relation is converted into roster form as if you take any integers, A and B are integers on relation, R is a relation of integers. If you take any examples, like 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. This is a relation regarding about A minus B as an integer. I take this one, 1 minus 1, 0, 0 is an integer, 2 minus 2, again 0 is an integer, 3 minus 3, again is an integer, 1 minus 2, minus 1 is an integer, 2 minus 3, minus 1 is an integer, 3 minus 2, 1 is an integer, 1 minus 3, minus 2 is an integer. Okay, that's why I write specifically 7 order pairs. If you take any order pairs regarding about the difference of integers is again integer. Okay? R is reflexive. Right or not? Right? R is reflexive because of same order pairs. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, and so on, or belongs to R, definitely belongs to R. Because of you take any examples, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, minus 1, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 3, minus 3. There is a difference between difference of any integer is again an integer. That's why similar order pairs or belongs to the relation R, hence R is reflexive. Next here is R is symmetric. Why R is symmetric? Because of reason. What is the reason? I take here it is 1, 2 is the element of R. 1, 2 means according to the definition of relation 1 minus 2 minus 1 is integer. That implies 2, 1 belongs to R. If you take 2, 3 is the element of R. Here it is 2, 3 is the element of R. 2 minus 3 is integer. Hence here it is 3, 2 is also the element of R. 2 minus 3 is an integer. 3 minus 2 is also an integer. That's why 2, 3 belongs to R implies 3, 2 is also the element of R. Hence it is R is symmetric. Similarly, R is transitive. Why is R transitive? I write one example here. Because of 1, 2 is the element of R. Here it is 1, 2. 1, 2 is 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2 is minus 1. Minus 1 is integer. 1, 2 is the element of R. Then again start with 2. 2, 3 is the element of R. Here it is 2, 3 is the element of R. That implies 1, 3 is also the element of R. Hence it is R is transitive. That's why this given relation is holds for reflexive condition, symmetric condition and transitive condition. Also give an example, or it is an example for which relation? It is a equivalence relation. Third problem. Again verify the relation R on A. R is defined by x comma y, 3x minus y is 0 equal to 0. X comma y belongs to set A. The A is a set having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 14. Verify this relation is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Okay, first again rewritten the relation in the form of roster form. First here is x comma y, x, y are the element of A. Remember, as you know already, the conversion of set product form into roster form in first year class. Okay, first if you take x and y as the element, if you take x as 1 and what about y? Is 3x minus y is equal to 0. I write 3x equal to y. I write 3x equal to y. If you take x as a 1, x as 1, then what about y? Y is 3 into 1, 3. 1, 3. Right? Next here it is x is 2. Then what about y? X is 2. Then y is 3 into 2, 6. 2, 6. 2 and 6 are the element of set A. Next again here is if you take x as 3, then what about y? X as 3. 3 into 3 is 9. 3, 9 is the order pair which belongs to the relation R. 3 and 9 are the elements of A. Remember? Next here is if you take x as 4. X as 4. What about y? Y is 3 into 4, 12. So 4, 12 are the element of set A. Next here is if you take 5, then what about y? 3 into 5, 15. 15 is not the element of A. That's why this order pair is not in the relation R. That's why there are only 4 order pairs which belongs to relation R on the set A. Okay. Next you have to write this. Using this relation, you have to check the condition for reflexive, symmetric, and transfer. Let us consider first R is reflexive. Whether R is reflexive or not. R is not reflexive because of. R is not reflexive because of the reason. What is the reason? As you know already, reflexive condition. What is the reflexive condition? Same order pairs which belongs to the relation R. That's why set having 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 14 elements. The similar elements are not in the relation R. That's why similar order pairs 1, 1, 2, 2, so on up to 14, 14, which are not the element of R. Hence R is not reflexive. Similar manner, R is not symmetric. Why is not symmetric? Give reason. What is the reason? Because of if you take 1, 3. 1, 3 is the element of R. That implies over 3, 1 is not the element of R. 3, 1 is not the element of R. In similar manner, if you take 2, 6. 2, 6 is the element of R. But 6, 2 is not the element of R. Right on. If you take 3, 9 is the element of R. 9, 3 is not the element of R. Okay, if you take 4, 12 is the element of R. 12, 4 is not the element of R. Right? Oh. Next, R is not transitive. Why R is not transitive? Just to give the reason. Because of I write 1, 3. 1, 3 is the element of R. Right? Again start with 3. 3, 9 is the element of R. Right? That implies 1, 9 is not the element of R. 1, 9 is not the element of R. Hence, R is not a transitive. Hence, R is not a equivalence relation.